Matthew, you are my friend. Thank you. Yeah, stop there. Ngufashe TV. Okay. It's a good. Yeah, stop there. Properly. And put you put it straight. Put the car straight. So when you stop a car, what you can do? Here is the bad way. If you put in the bad way, you put the double indicator. Yeah. You have to show them if you happen, you made it happen. Okay? Yes, that's currently going. First check what gear you have it. Is the one?
Yeah, it's one.
Here you go. You made mistakes. You remove this before you start car.
Yeah.
I told you.
Yes, before start car.
Yeah. Before start car, you move this double indicator and put the what you start car. Indicator for the left side. Yeah. Then go in. So you see that car, our car, what the voice did you listen?
It's like vibrating.
Like vibrating. To remove it, you put the accelerator. When the car is starting like that, it's going to be loud. So I don't know your direction. You can pass what your direction, because I don't know. You continue with the accelerator and this one, and put down clutch and the brake also. Don't too much, brake also until the car stop. You managing this way? Straight. Your room is there? Okay. Yeah, where I can park?
Maybe just here.
Just there?
Yeah.
It is the way?
Yeah. I can
difficult way?
No, just this side. I can just.
Or if there is no people come from inside, can park there. You park the car, you turn first.
It's fine. I can just park this side.
Yeah, it's okay. When the car is going like this, there, check. It's okay. I put the accelerator. Is marked. The car marked the accelerator. Put the accelerator. Put the accelerator first.
Yeah.
Move this one. Put the accelerator and move this one. Put the accelerator, mister. Okay. Yes, thanks so much. Stop the car here. And put the failure. No, you can leave it with the gear, in the one. Okay, and the buttons. Yes, good morning everyone. This is teacher Emmanuel for driving a car. So now I have some guys. Now he's starting to run the car, how to driving car. So he has 3 days only for starting a car. So now he's here. I'm asking him what he understands after from 1 day, 2 days, and 3. So tell the someone watch our TV. My TV, he called it Ngufashe TV. Okay. It's a good Ngufashe TV. So tell them, someone want they listen English or Nyarwanda no.
Also French?
Also French, no problem. Say whatever you can do.
Okay, I'm not so good in English, but I'm going to try to explain what I understand during those 3 days. The first day you learn about how is the car, and then the car you have to consider the car like it's our own home. It's like our chamber also. So when you want to drive car, you have to take care of your car. Like the external and also the internal, you have to take care of your car. You have known that, and what is inside before like restarting. You have also to make sure that your gear is already well, everything's okay before starting. And yeah, the second day we have to start also about how to drive. We have to sing some round driving, and also how to park. Like when you want to go at left, you have first also to the left side, and also when you want to turn from the right and those things. And when also you want to park, if you want to parking, and the parking like in the pathway, you have also to put that
double indicator.
Yeah, double indicator.
Yeah.
You have to put it before, like if you are in the pathway, not like you put just your left indicator and after that you leave it. No, you have to put also the bad indicator, the double indicator to show people that you have bad things or you are in the pathway. So that's all that I can say during those 2 days we have learned.
Thanks so much about anyone watch my TV. So this is guys, but he's starting to understand, explain what he understanding during 3 days only when they start. So, but he didn't tell presentation for the name. So you can tell them your name, your presentation, where the country from you, or you, this one, whatever. So, and you tell them what happened. So, it meant to come to this school. Who invite you? Is teacher who invite you? Is someone who less invite you? You tell them what the things make you to come to run the driver. Yeah.
Sorry, my part. So I have first of all to start about my name. My name is Yanya Kagiramerwe. I'm not Rwanda, but I'm here in Rwanda since 6 years ago. That I'm here in Rwanda.
6 years you?
2019. And then I don't know how to speak in Rwanda very well. I know just some words. I'm here before I was here just about my studies. I've done my study at Electrical Technology 2 years ago since 2023. And then I start, my sister is the one, she's the one who taught me to...
How long? How long days you take your course when you reach Rwanda?
Yeah.
How long time?
How long time? It's already...
Now
it's 6 years. Because I'm here since 2019, before coronavirus.
Uyu nguyu ari kuvuga ko yitwa Amaze kandi ntabwo ari umunyarwanda, yaje aturutse.
Yeah, I live in Chad since 2019. You from Chad? Yeah, I'm from Chad.
Yaje aturutse mu gihugu cya Chad, ariko noneho yaje mu buryo bwo kwiga, yigaga muri Yiga. Amaze yiga ibintu bigendanye na electricité, technology y'ubwubatsi.
Yeah, I've done since 2023.
Ah, okay. Noneho rero ariko yaje kugira urukundo, yaje kumva yuko ataba mu gihugu cy'u Rwanda ariko adafite impamyabumenyi igendanye n'ibigendanye no kwiga ikinyabiziga. Niyo mpamvu yaje gutangira kwiga mu ishuri rya Ngufashe TV. Ubwo rero tubafasha kuri buryo bwa online, tukabafasha no mu buryo busanzwe bwo gutwara ikinyabiziga muri pratique. Rero yarari kubabwira ko amaze kumenya ibikoze imodoka agitangira. Ngo yamaze kumenya ibikoze imodoka kuko nibyo arangije amenya mo imbere uko bafata ambriage, ibikoresho bitwara imodoka, imodoka ititwara igira ibitwara, ndetse amenya ko iyi modoka ihagaze ahantu hatemewe agomba gushyiramo double indicator, cyangwa se mu gihe agiye gukata ahantu ashyiramo ikiyoteri cyo gukata, cyangwa se mu gihe agiye guhagarara. I was explaining what
So I was too much interested but by the Rwandan driving. When they drive, they take care, and I was so interested by the way they drive and the way also when they drive there are like some security, no accident too much like in other countries they drive so well. So I was so interested. I say, wow, this is like that. I can also start to learn how to drive here in Rwanda. Yeah. And that's why I start my learning, and it was so interesting. So I need people want also to learn.
Okay, aravuga yuko ibintu byose byatumye agira icyizere cyuko ago byamuteye kugirirwa icyizere no kugira icyizere cyo kugira ngo yige, kubera ko mu gihugu cyacu cy'u Rwanda yabonye ko hariyo imihanda myiza, avuga yuko hariyo avuga yuko nta accident nyinshi zari, nta mpanuka nyinshi ziba mu gihugu cyacu cy'u Rwanda nk'ibindi bihugu ugereranyije n'ibindi bihugu accident zikunda kubamo. Donc avuga yuko abanyarwanda, twebwe abanyarwanda, igihugu cyacu cy'u Rwanda, uburyo bw'imitwarire yacu dutwara mu buryo buri anti-discipline, buri mu kinyabupfura, mbese tutwara mu buryo bwiza. Ariyo mpamvu rero ibyo byose byatumye yumva agira icyizere kugira ngo ashake uruhushya rwacu rwo mu gihugu cyacu cy'u Rwanda. Ibyo rero nibyo bintu bya mbere byatumye yifuza yuko nawe yatunga uruhushya rwo mu gihugu cyacu cy'u Rwanda.
So I invite you, all of us, which you are also watching this emission, to come in also to join our school class, to join our teacher, Emmanuel. He's a good teacher, and I think he can also give you something, some skills in driving that can help you in your whole life. Thank you so much. This was Mervin from Itatu.
Okay, aravuze ati rero ngaho rero mukomeze natwe mwegere mwarimu Emmanuel. Ni umwarimu mwiza kandi wigisha neza mu buryo bwiza, akakwigisha imodoka ukayimenya ku buryo nawe n'igihe runaka wakumva ko umaze kwiga iwe utangira gutwara ikinyabiziga cyawe. So mukomeze rero mubane natwe kuri Ngufashe TV, mukore subscribe, mukore share, mukore like, ndetse munatange comment, munasharing izi video ahantu hose hatandukanye. Tuzagenda tubagezaho abantu batandukanye, ntabwo twigisha abantu bo mu gihugu cyacu gusa, n'abanyamahanga turabigisha, turi wenyine, dufite n'abandi bose batandukanye. Muze muri reshani kuri Ngufashe TV, mudukurikire, musharing izi video zacu. Ikindi kandi hari nimero ziri kuri description, mwazaduhamagara mukaza natwe namwe tukabafasha. Murakoze rero, tuzongera ubutaha. Ciao ciao. My view, you are my friend. Thank you.